Hello, Ahambo Muna, Abum onye nkuzi asụsụ Igbo. Hello, I'm Muna, an Igbo language tutor. I have NCE and BN in English and Igbo linguistics, which means I am qualified to teach kids, young adults, and even adults. Besides teaching, I write and self-publish books on Amazon KDP, and during my spare time, all I do is to create flashcards, animations, and YouTube content. In fact, social media contents that are educational and related to Igbo language promotion and culture. I studied 2 languages in school, of course, the Igbo language and the English language, which makes it possible for me to be able to help you widen your vocabulary in both languages swiftly. I can do anything to keep my class lively. I can dance, I can sing, I can act and joke, just to make sure my classes are fun, engaging, and interactive. So come book a class with me and have fun. See you. Kemesia, kemesia.